Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today I'm going to show you how to turn left on the traffic signal with or without slip lane. So some of the traffic signal there are slip lane and some of them without slip lane. So if you're turning left without slip lane, you need to go over the traffic signal and you need to wait for the green signal. So some of time there is a green arrow, or some of the places there is no green arrow. So when is green arrow comes, wherever the green arrow available, when green arrow comes is your first priority to go. And whereabout there is no green arrow, only the green and red light. So whenever green light comes, you need to wait for the pedestrian. If clear, you can turn left. And some of the traffic signal there are slip lane. If there are slip lane, you must have to use slip lane. You don't need to go over the traffic signal. So when you go for the slip lane, so before slip lane, most of time there is a pedestrian line. If there is a pedestrian line, and if any pedestrian about to cross, you need to wait behind the pedestrian line. Another thing is, some of the places, one of the car is already standing crossing the pedestrian lane. If there is car still waiting to turn left and you need to go there, so you must have to wait behind the pedestrian line. So when first car goes, then you can cross the pedestrian line. So we do some practical, then you know more. So let's start now. So I'm going to approach first traffic signal without slip lane. So as you can see, there is a traffic signal in front of me. I'm going to turn left. So first thing, I need to give my signal left and I stay on the left lane. So here there is no slip lane. So I wait here and wait for the green signal. So in this scenario, there are arrow. If green arrow comes, then I have a first priority to turn left. If there is no green arrow, then I wait for any pedestrians to come. So there is no green arrow. Now no pedestrian, I can turn left easily. Like this. And then I maintain the speed limit is 70. So I maintain my speed on 70. So now I'm going to approach another traffic signal with the slip lane. So whenever you're approaching any signal with the slip lane, you need to give your signal before you approach the slip lane. So as you can see now, traffic light. So I need to give my signal left here and I need to enter through the dotted lines to the slip lane. So now there is no car in. So now I can cross pedestrian lane and I wait on the dotted line here and watch my right side. No one is coming. Now I can turn left easily. So that's the way you need to cross traffic signal with or without slip lanes. So I hope you learn how to turn left on the traffic signal with or without slip lane. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful videos. See you in next video. Bye for now. Thank you.